This is our system currently in work. This is just the first assembly. As you can see, we will tilt this a bit and the motors will react. Okay, yeah, watch how this is meant to be like the roll of the rocket, and these are our motors, and we aim to counter the roll.
These two motors are in synchrony and these two motors are in synchrony, and they are moving in different directions to create moment.
Yeah. These are the canards and these are the 4 motors. I've seen these 2 motors will be working in synchrony, but they will be opposing each other. Same applies to this 2, and this is our PCB, which will be essentially attached to the rocket.
The motion of controlling is the roll motion, which is basically the rocket moving side to side like that, and you can see the canards are reacting to that. This one isn't reacting, but
so as we had explained, this is an assembly of the active pin control system. So the 4 canards are attached to 4 servo motors, and we have these 2 motors working in synchrony, but they will be opposing motion.
The canards are opposing roll motion of the rocket. As you can see, the rocket is facing up the z-axis, and when I twist the MP60 50, the pins change in accordance to that. That way, they are righting the rocket back to the correct position. Yes.